depend every time on the AI. Please do this, and we don't use. Yeah, I understand. I got your point. What you want to say here? And
Graduated 2023.
okay, recently graduated. So, what is your future plan? I mean, you have some dreams in your mind. So, what is your future plan?
I want to get a high-paying job, as well as I'm planning to build a robot which is
Robot. Jai Siya Ram everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita, and how are you doing, guys? I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine. So friends, tell me one thing. Do you face this type of issue? Like you really want to speak in English fluently, but you don't feel confident. You feel hesitate while speaking English in front of the public. You have lots of ideas in your mind, but you are not able to express those ideas in English. And this is because of lack of practice. And you have not any environment for practice English speaking skill. You have no one with whom you can easily practice English. So yeah, I know you are facing different kind of issue, but you have a desire for learning this language. You really want to speak in English fluently. You really want to be fluent speaker, but you have these types of issue. So don't worry friends, in this video I'm going to share with you wonderful application. This is brilliant, amazing application. I have used this application a lot whenever I get some time, so I generally use this application. So this application name is PeerUp. This application not only improve your English fluency, but also it will give you some confidence. You can achieve confidence while speaking English, how to express our thoughts in front of the public. And for this, you don't need to give money for purchasing this application. Okay, you don't need to go anywhere. You can use this application with the help of your Android phone. You just need your Android phone, okay, and internet connection. So now I'm going to show you how to use this application. I'm going to give you a demo, okay. But before going to the video, it's my humble request to all of you, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, so please do subscribe my channel, because you know these things gives me boost to create more and more valuable content for you every day. So watch the video right till the end, don't skip the video. Okay friends, so let's get into the topic. So now I'm going to show you how to use this application, okay. So yes, this is your Android phone. I have my Android phone. Now I'm going to show you. So just you need to just go to the Play Store and download application PeerUp. PeerUp. Yes, I have made a video on this particular application before, but this is totally different demo, okay. So you can find a new thing in this video, okay. Now you just need to go to the Play Store and write PeerUp. I have already downloaded this application in front of you. So now I'm going to just open this application, okay. So when you are going to download this application, so it will ask some information like sign up. You just need to sign up in this application with your mobile phone or email. So it's up to you, just you need to sign up. And it's not a fraud application, it's totally trusted application, okay. And after opening this application, this is the page. It will ask you practice with partner and practice with role play, okay. Now I'm going to touch practice with partner in front of you. Yes, practice with partner. When I touch practice with partner, so it will ask some question, type which type of partner, like human or AI. So now I'm going to touch AI. When I touch AI, so it's demand some become a pro member. So when I give some money, then I will use this AI version. Now I'm going to not give some money, I'm going to use free version. So yes, human, I just type human, okay. Now second, gender, any male or female, so it's up to you. I'm going to write only any. English level, okay. If you are a beginner, write there you can write beginner, intermediate, so it's up to you. I'm going to write any, koi bhi chalega. Profession any, and start searching, okay. You can see start searching.
hello.
Hello. So what's your name?
Yeah, my name is Harsh.
Hers. So how about yours? First of all, I would like to say good evening. It's evening time, and how are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. What about you?
I'm also fine. Thank you for asking. And where are you from, hers?
Yeah, yeah, I'm from Karnataka.
Karnataka. So are you a student or working profession?
Yeah, I'm a working profession.
Okay. In which field? Can I ask you in which field?
Yeah, which is related to robotics.
Robotics. Wow. That's great.
Yeah.
So do you believe robot is good or not in our life? What is your opinion about robot?
Robots is like as a good, you have to consider as a good, because robots can helpful when you are alone, like you want to do some task but you are ill,
Yeah,
so it might help you.
yeah.
And yeah, in that
But
sense
there is
it's
no emotion, I think. Without emotion, it's useless. Anything. I think emotion is very important. And robot
okay.
has not any type of emotion, like they have not feel sad, jealous, and happiness without emotion person.
No, we can implement emotion, but it's hard to implement, because consider when you do that like of things, and the robots get angry, and if you damage your property, so what industries peoples will avoid those things,
Okay.
yeah, for the safety purpose. Okay, yeah, in recent times, like a few 4 or 5 months ago, in Japan, they implemented the same thing, like same humanoid. They
Hmm.
implemented
Hmm.
when it starts behaving like it took over the other robots and start harming to humans. So they destroyed the humanoid. So it may be effectful if we give full authority to the robot.
Yeah, if we
So
give full authority, yeah, that's right.
yeah.
And
So
nowadays
yeah,
we have seen so many movies depend on this particular topic, like robot. I just share with you one name in which Sahid Kapoor is a hero and Kriti Sanon heroine. I don't
okay,
remember
okay,
movie name. I don't
yeah,
remember. But yes, Kriti Sanon, actress.
yeah, I
She,
know.
yeah, yeah. So this is, I think, just like same.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So
Right.
yeah, nowadays it's a very popular thing like AI. So what is your opinion, about AI?
AI is a good thing. Yeah, it's a very good thing. Like when you are shopping on Amazon,
Yeah.
you will see the feeds, like you have searched recently earphones, and it's coming again and again. It's telling you to buy. It's
Mm.
like a recommendation.
Okay, okay, I understand.
That yeah, that's a recommendation that
Yeah.
is integrated with AI.
Okay, 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 okay.
Similar way, you like ChatGPT or Cloud AI, when
Yeah.
you write anything, it will display context of that thing what you written,
Mm. Yeah.
like programming, many things.
And it make us smart. I can say smart. If
Yeah,
people knows
smart.
how to
No,
use,
no, no.
yeah,
It it can be a good to gain, like get a job, but it doesn't mean make a smart. If you are able to do, it will collapse your thinking ideas.
yeah, it is just like a sugar. We feel
Yeah,
it's very delicious. Wow, it's
yeah,
sweet.
right.
I understand. It's like a sugar. We love
Yeah,
this sugar foods and sugary I think sugary dessert. We love very much, but it is very harmful in our body. So just like I think
yeah,
AI in these days.
yes, right.
Yeah, he help. Sorry, not don't he. It helps us, but yeah, we can say it slowly destroy our intelligence, because we
Yeah,
don't
right.
try to we think about, because he or she say, okay, I am here, why are you searching this, I will follow
Uh,
your instruction, don't worry. And
yes,
in this way we
yes,
can easily depend every time on the AI, please do this, please do this, and we don't use.
yeah,
Yeah, I understand. I got your point, what you want to say here. And yes, it will happen in future time. Our kids will totally depends on the AI tools and AI on robots in, I think. But now it's we can't avoid this thing, because it's a necessity in these days.
yeah, right.
You can see in WhatsApp there is Meta AI. In every tool you will find different kind of AI. When you open your
Yeah,
TV, so yes, Elisa asks you, what can I help you, can I help you? So yes,
mm-hmm.
we find everywhere AI. And when you open
Yeah,
our switch, so yes, can I help you, everywhere. and it is just like a servant, but when we feel okay it will help us, then suddenly slowly just like
it will overcome.
yeah. So okay, so I just want to ask you a question. Are you married or not?
No, I'm single.
Okay.
I just
Okay.
recently graduated 2023.
Okay, recently graduated. So what is your future plan? I mean, you have some dreams in your mind. So what is your future plan?
Yeah, I want to get a high-paying job, as well as I'm planning to build a robot which is
Robot. Wow.
like a human. Yeah.
I understand. Yeah.
Okay.
So for this you need so much money. You need lots of money.
Yeah, right.
Okay. Okay.
Money
So
and knowledge.
money and knowledge, yes, money and knowledge. So for this you have some partner also.
No, I'm just
You can
planning
single do
myself.
this thing?
Yeah, I'm trying. If
Okay.
not, I will
Okay. Yeah.
connect.
Yeah, you can do. Okay.
Yeah, right. So, what is your
What is my
dream?
actually, I am already a teacher. I am a government teacher, and I just want to enhance my speaking skills. So that's why I am using this application. And actually, I have no any type of big dream. I just want to learn new skill. When I think okay, I am perfect in this skill, then I try to learn different skill. So I am a learning seeker. I try to learn different
Okay.
skill every time. So this is actually I can say this is my hobby because I have already my job in my end. So I just want to do this thing. I just want to enjoy my life by following my hobby.
Okay, that's really good. Okay, so what do you teach to the students subject?
Okay, actually I am a basic teacher, and I teach their student who comes in class first to fifth class. I teach all the subject there, but class 6 to
Okay.
8th student I teach English subject.
Okay, that's good.
And I have done my whole education throughout Hindi medium school, but speaking in English it's my childhood desire. So that's why when I get some time, when I feel okay, now my kids are growing up, so why not learn this language?
Okay, it's really sweet.
So it was nice conversation. Now I'm going to leave this
Okay.
conversation. Thank you so
Okay,
much.
it's fine. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay,
Take care. Bye.
bye. So after completing your conversation, you just need to give your feedback, submit your feedback. What was your conversation? So I can say it was nice, friendly, and submit. Okay, and if you have more time, then you can continue with practice. You will it will search you another partner for you. Okay, so that's all about this application, and it's a nice application. Don't worry about that you have no one with whom you can practice in English, and you are facing lack of practice, and because of lack of practice you feel hesitant, you feel like you have a lot of ideas in your mind, but when it comes to speak, so you feel fumble, you feel hesitate. Just try to learn this language, do this practice with this application, and improve your English fluency. So that's all I wanted to share with you in this video, and I hope you like my video. If you did so please give it a like to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video, because I love to read your comments. So friends, we will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Siya Ram.